Hey, welcome. This is Eddie with the Crippled Handyman. Oh my God. We are finally done. Well, I should say we is me, myself, and I. I finished the foyer 100%. Got the door on. You can see in the pictures in the last video. What, for such a small area, the foyer is only like, well, with the closet door, if you see in the very beginning, you're going to see the before picture, what it looked like. Just a double closet with a water heater in a closet where you put clothes in, coats, gloves, hats. And I guess what made me want to do this project was I remember one day I was going in there, it was in the winter months, and my wife's coat was leaning against the water heater right where the pilot is, even though there's a cover on there for safety, but still. It's just like, oh my God, so if a coat falls off a hanger, now you got a fire hazard, and it's like, oh my God, all the work I've done with this property, even though we got homeowners insurance, I would not want to start over. But, it was a project that, my wife and I talked about doing, and, the cost of the project was, within the area that I was hoping. The biggest expense was the door and the ceiling material, the tongue and groove. Those were the two biggest expenses. You have a $450 door, and it just, when you don't buy, I don't believe in, in any of my properties putting anything cheap in, it's not a, I don't even know how to say it. I just like solid wood doors, whether it's oak, walnut, hickory, whatever you end up doing. Like I said, these are alder doors, and those are a big expense. But this project took me a little bit longer just because I was in and out. So you'll see the final video after I'm done talking. So you'll see the beginning, and it was just a picture of the beginning. I couldn't find any pictures really. Nothing to be excited about. Needed an extra place for boots, my tall boots, cowboy boots. The shelf I built in the laundry room, my nice boots don't fit on the shelf. They fit my work boots, which are pretty tall. But anyhow, this project was a butt kicker. I saw an idea with the log wall, and you've seen different videos of that. I'm just grateful for it. I'm grateful to be very well knowledgeable in the construction industry. Any guy or gal that wants to get in the construction world, I recommend it. I don't care what you want to get into of it. In the long run, if you get in the trades, you'll save yourself money doing stuff around your own property. So having said that, here's a video of the picture of what it looked like, and then just a quick video of the final product. Thanks for watching, and hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's help me out. I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, take care.